Hello friends, this is Snobby. I'm on the boat and enjoy the river cruising. I'll show you Tokyo from a different perspective. Let's go and find your Tokyo. This is the rest of the route for the river cruise. Check the link in the description for the first part. Look, many boats are parked at the river's edge. These are yakatabune, the Japanese pleasure boats, which are used to host dinner parties. Guests mingle and socialize over food and drinks on the boat. The yakatabune was used as a hallmark of ostentatious luxury for aristocrats during the Heian period. During the Edo period, it was a pleasure for the daimyo, but eventually the common people began to enjoy it too. After the Pacific War, the yakatabune declined. However, water pollution was improved and the yakatabune became popular again. The boat passes under this bridge and arrives at the Sumida River. I saw many boats at work on the Sumida River. Tokyo Sky Tree is a television broadcasting tower and landmark of Tokyo. It's become the tallest structure in Japan and the tallest tower in the world. There's the Metropolitan Expressway. It's a real Gran Turismo world. The development of the Edo period was always accompanied by land reclamation. And 400 years later, reclamation is still ongoing. When Tokugawa Ieyasu first arrived in Edo, this area was a swamp. There is a space in the middle of this building. This is due to consideration of the daylight rights of the building on the other side. Residential units are located in the lower parts of this building, while offices are located in the upper parts. Unlike the other buildings in Tokyo. In Tokyo, the ordinance requires that residential areas must be built in any area. This is to prevent depopulation in urban areas. I wouldn't want to live in the middle of an office district though, because it's inconvenient and expensive. For example, in Chiyoda Ward, Tokyo, where the Diet Building and the Imperial Palace are located, there is a large difference in population between daytime and nighttime. There is a bronze statue in the middle of that bridge. Some people are waving to us from there. But they can only see the back of the statue. That's too bad. Now we get back to the Nihonbashi River. It's hard to see, but the building on the left is Tokyo Stock Exchange Building. This is Kabuto-cho, which is considered Japan's equivalent of Wall Street in New York City. Kabuto is a helmet for samurai, and there is a bridge whose name is Yoroibashi in this area. And Yoroi means samurai armor. It's an interesting combination, isn't it? Here comes Yoroibashi. Now, the boat has got back to Nihonbashi Bridge. That is the face of the lion, the symbol of the Nihonbashi Bridge. There is a double Qilin statue. Qilin is a legendary hooved creature from Chinese mythology. These two Qilins have wings, which is unusual. The river adventure has come to the end. I'm surprised that there were many boats at work on the river in Tokyo. And I thought again that Tokyo was a water city. I had never thought about it because I only lived inland where there was no sea. It was a good opportunity to find something new about the city of Tokyo. Thanks for watching. Give me likes, subscribe, and ring the bell. See you in the next video. またね